अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम कायदे आज़म द ग्रेट लीडर का जो एक्सरसाइज पार्ट रह गया था वो आज हम पढ़ेंगे। पेज नंबर 29, राइटिंग, राइट एन इसे ऑन योर फेवरेट आइडियल पर्सनैलिटी। इंट्रोडक्शन। ऑल men are best creation of the Almighty Allah, yet qualities of each and everyone are not the same and similar. A man with his short span of life may come in touch with many men, but all are not admired equally. Up to the very moment of my life, I have found many men and studied the life and work of many men, both alive and dead. Amongst them, I admired Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last prophet of Muslims, his birth and parentage. He was born in the famous Quraysh family of Makkah in 570 AD. His father was Abdullah and mother was Amina. He was a posthumous child because he lost his father before he was born. Then he was brought up by Abdul Muttalib, his grandfather, and later by Abu Talib, his uncle. Why I admire him? I admire him for some reasonable reasons. The qualities I found in him through reading books and hearing from the eminent ulama karams were extraordinary. His early life was quite different from other men in the world. Truly speaking, he was a class by himself from all time to come. He was very thoughtful. He was the lover and worshipper of truth and beauty. He never told lies but spoke the truth at all costs. People in Arabia, either friend or foe, called him Al Amin, the trustworthy. His youth, my admired man, was very honest to the penny since his boyhood. He liked living a very plain life. At the age of 25, he married Khadija Begum, a 40-year-old lady, by dint of his stainless character. He was the then richest lady in Arabia. He got an immense wealth from her, but he spent it on the well being of the poor. His preaching religion, my admired man declared the oneness of Allah. He contemplated in the Mount Hira. He attempted to preach Islam all over Arabia. Then people in Arabia were very ignorant and dunder-headed. They hated Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and did not believe in his teaching the dictates of Allah. They believe in many god and goddesses. He faced a lot of troubles in preaching Islam. It was his only target life to declare the oneness of Allah and to preach Islam and its teaching. When he attained the age of 40, the Holy Quran was revealed on him. He taught the common people the dictates and ideal of the Quran. He preached, "He is the best of you who reads the Quran and teaches others." Death. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam died in 623 AD at the age of 63 years only. The whole world mourned for his sudden demise. Conclusion. My admired man is the best of a lot of all men and women. We are also fortunate to be his ummah. He dedicated his life for the whole Muslim world. He is the last prophet. Okay जी, next हमारे पास है article. What is article? There are two types of articles, a, an, and the second one is the. Article is a word which is used to generalize and specify the things, people, or places. A and an is called indefinite article and it's used with the common noun. I mean common singular noun. Second one is the. It is used with proper. Proper the or with the particular places. Things or people. It is definite article. अ और एंड जो है वो इनडिफिनिट आर्टिकल्स है और द जो है ये डिफिनिट आर्टिकल है. Fill in the article a, an, or the where necessary. Insert x where no article is used. I like the blue t-shirt over they're better than the red one. Number 2, their car does 150 mile an hour. Number 3, where's the USB drive I lent you the last week? The Do you still live in Banu? यहाँ पर क्रॉस आएगा. Is your mother working in dash old office building? An old office building. आगे देखते हैं. Decide whether the verb in color are transitive or intransitive. इससे पहले मैंने 2 वीडियोस ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब और इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के बारे में अपलोड की है. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब वो वर्ब होते हैं जहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट का लगाना ज़रूरी होता है और इनट्रांजिटिव वो वर्ब होते हैं जहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट का लगाना ज़रूरी नहीं होता. हमें पता कैसे चलता है कि ये ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है या इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है? हम सेंटेंस से ऑब्जेक्ट को हटाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम अगर उनको ज़रूरत होती है ऑब्जेक्ट की तो वो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब होती है, और अगर ज़रूरत नहीं होती ऑब्जेक्ट की तो वो इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है. देखते हैं. फर्स्ट वन है शी वॉज क्राइंग ऑल डे लॉन्ग. वॉज क्राइंग इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है. वी शोड हर द फोटो एल्बम. शोड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है. यहाँ पर देखिए वी शोड हमने दिखाया, तो हमने क्या दिखाया? तो उसके लिए ऑब्जेक्ट लगाई गई है यहाँ पर. वी शोड हर द फोटो एल्बम. द डॉक्टर एडवाइज्ड मी टू एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली. एडवाइज्ड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. इट वॉज रेनिंग एट द टाइम. एट दैट टाइम. वॉज रेनिंग intransitive verb. She laughed at the joke. Laughed intransitive verb. नेक्स्ट है वर्ब. मैंने इससे पहले भी वर्ब की कुछ वीडियोस अपलोड की हुई है, लेकिन अभी तक ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब और रेगुलर इरेगुलर वर्ब की वीडियोस अपलोड नहीं की, तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि वो क्या होती है. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब क्या होती है और रेगुलर इरेगुलर वर्ब क्या होती है. वर्ब इज़ एन एक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्लीप, go, ride, etc. These are called an action verb. So we have some modal auxiliary verb. For example, may, might, etc. So these are called auxiliary verb, which does not have any specific or proper meaning, but they can use for different purposes. For example, and it's also used for advice. For example, I can speak English, I can go outside, etc. So we have two types of verb, irregular verb and regular verb. What is irregular verb? A verb following a verb that does not follow the normal pattern of inflection is called irregular verb. For example, go, went, gone. So I mean that irregular verb is that verb which does not take second and third form of verb. For example, go, went, gone, and ate, eat, or eaten. What is regular verb? A verb following the normal pattern of inflection is called irregular verb. For example, reach, reached, reached. I mean that regular verb is that verb which which is used from the normal pattern when we use second and third form of regular verb. We use g or ed at the end of regular verb. For example, play, played, played, reach, reached, reached. अच्छा जी, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के बारे में. Which of three sentences containing a modal auxiliary verb has the same meaning as the original one? Number 1. They are able to speak English well. They can speak English well, they may speak English well, or they must speak English well. They can speak English well. There is a possibility of rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow, it must rain tomorrow, it will rain tomorrow. Possibility के लिए क्या आएगा? May. It may rain tomorrow. Next है do I have to clean the kitchen? Can I clean the kitchen? Must I clean the kitchen? Should I clean the kitchen? तो यहाँ पर आएगा must I clean the kitchen? Must I clean the kitchen? नेक्स्ट है आर यू एबल टू ड्राइव अ ट्रैक्टर, कैन यू ड्राइव अ ट्रैक्टर, मस्ट यू ड्राइव अ ट्रैक्टर, शुड यू ड्राइव अ ट्रैक्टर, कैन यू ड्राइव अ ट्रैक्टर। ये लास्ट वाला जो है ये आप खुद ही करेंगे, खुद ही प्रैक्टिस करके आप ये लास्ट वाला सॉल्व करेंगे ताकि आपकी भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए कि ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब क्या होती है। नेक्स्ट है फाइंड द रेगुलर वर्ब इन ईच लाइन एंड राइट इट इन द स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड। रीड, फील, प्ले, सी। यहाँ पर रेगुलर वर्ब जो है वो प्ले है। बुक में आपको स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड है, वहाँ पर आप लिख ले। इस तरह की स्पेस दी गई है आपको पेज नंबर 32 पे, उसमें आप लिख ले। लिसन, डू, गो, मैक। लिसन। नाउ, हेल्प, से, थिंक। थिंक। लाइक, राइट, फॉरगेट। एक और भी है इसमें ईट, तो यहाँ पर फॉरगेट आएगा। नेक्स्ट है टेक, ब्रिंग, कट, क्लीन। इसमें आपने देखना है कि रेगुलर वर्ब कौन सी है ताकि आपकी भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए कि रेगुलर वर्ब क्या होती है और इरेगुलर वर्ब क्या होती है।